major changes to our natural and built environments due to globalization and human consumption, the business landscape is changing. The Sustainable Innovation MBA program at University of Vermont's Grossman School of Business addresses this modern business era with a forward-thinking approach. This approach utilizes triple bottom line thinking, doing business not just for profit, but also for people and planet, promoting a circular economy and using smart supply chains which focus on the 3 R's of reduce, reuse, and recycle. The SIMBA program prepares their students to do business with a multifaceted international lens, which allows them to analyze, adapt, and co-create sustainable and innovative solutions, both for the developed and developing world. The SIMBA program partners with businesses and business leaders from all over the world to create the final practicum projects that their students participate in. These practicums are designed not only as a way for SIMBA to teach sustainable thinking, but also as a way to give their students an opportunity to participate in forward-thinking and regenerated business models.
Plastic is killing our planet. We produce approximately 300 million tons of plastic around the world annually. Of the 7 types of plastic created, only 3 kinds are easily recycled. In the US alone, 32 million tons of plastic is thrown away each year. Only 8% is recycled. But we have a solution. ByFusion has a patented process that can convert this waste plastic into 100% recycled and multi-purpose new material, turning this environmental disaster into an incredible opportunity. The ByFusion machine is completely self-contained and mobile. It can be placed on a flatbed truck or a ship and transported anywhere the plastic is. The current pilot plant is configured to produce replast block in the shape of common cinder blocks, so we can put our waste to work fast. Imagine the possibilities.
Working with ByFusion this summer has been a wonderful experience. In the beginning, we were charged with helping ByFusion bring their incredible technology to market. Our goal was to establish partnerships with companies and organizations that would be most effective at utilizing ByFusion's blocker technology. The work included reaching out to promising parties, as well as developing materials that could help ByFusion now and in the future. We then analyzed our experiences and provided recommendations that could help ByFusion continue on their mission to reshape the future of plastic waste.